Intis, how you say it?
Isaw.
Isaw. Intestine. Mayong. Wow. Why are you waking up to the torture here? Why are you waking up to the torture here? You're a pig, right?
Chicken.
Oh.
It's not. Oh.
No, the intestine?
Yeah.
It's chicken intestine?
Yeah, it's chicken.
Oh.
Oh, are you gonna eat that one?
Chicken intestine. No. I thought it was I thought it was pig. And this is regular chicken. No intestines here. Mm.
You want rice?
No.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
I need to eat rice. This is my life. Yeah.
Yeah, you eat rice. You don't get fat. You don't get fat like me. Ah. It's good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. This is real good. What do you call that? Intestine sauce?
It's the barbecue sauce.
Oh. Mmm. This is real good. Hell yeah. Mmm. Mmm.
I thought you're not gonna eat barbecue.
Hmm?
I thought you're not gonna eat barbecue.
Why not?
I don't know.
Oh, you thought I didn't want to eat that? Hell yeah. Mm-hmm. But what do you call it again here?
Chicken backbone.
Chicken. Oh my god. Chicken backbone.
Backbone.
Chicken backbone.
Backbone. It's a backbone.
Backbone?
Back.
Back?
Yeah.
Bone. Like backbone?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But there's, I don't know, whatever. Yeah. Mm. Oh yeah, I see the backbone right here. Oh yeah.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.